Before the work begins, there's beauty you almost miss if you don't slow down. Wildflowers growing freely, untouched, unnoticed, waiting to be seen. We're getting the container delivered. Had to pick some wildflowers. Getting it started. Super excited. Step 1, getting set up. A 40-foot container right where we needed it. And the right tools to get the job done. And then this arrived, our John Deere tractor. The moment it showed up, everything started to feel real. This is so cool. Before the real work began, there was one thing that had to go. An eyesore at the entrance, the first thing anyone would see. Goodbye, dumb box. So we made it disappear.
What's missing? Chewing tobacco.
No shortcuts, just time, grit, and a whole lot of dust. Clearing the past to make room for what's ahead. That night, we slowed down and found something we didn't expect. A small stream quietly running through the land. A little reminder, there's life here.
We have a creek. The river runs through it.
Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best.
Oh gosh, this is out.
Told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of back.
Out here, nature handles its own business. Every moment, part of something bigger.
Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. They cut me down to size.
Someone's having a lot of fun. This is where we found the snake.
You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some.
Be careful!
Watch for snakes. There. Teamwork.
And then, these little guys. Cute until you realize how much damage they can do. Years of overgrowth and neglect, now ready to be cleared and made beautiful.
Look at this.
This kind of work isn't for everyone, but for some, it's something they love, and we're beyond grateful to have family who shows up, works hard, and believes in the vision with us. Thank you to my brothers Mark and Jimo. Nothing wasted, everything repurposed. And returned right back to the land. It's hard to explain, but once you start seeing change like this, you don't want to stop. What once felt overwhelming now feels possible. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for being part of our journey.